Number one, look at this picture. All right, number one, I'm about to say number 1A. This is number 1A. All right? She is a teacher. Is it true? Yes. And B, listen up. B, she helps sick people. I said she helps sick people. She helps sick people. Is that true? Then you can write T. If that is false, it's not true, you can write F. And number 2A. Number 2A. He is an architect. He is an architect. That's A. He is an architect. And B, he builds things out of wood. He builds things out of wood. That's B. If you think what I say is true, you can write T right here. Or if you think what I say is false, you can write F. And now number 3 here. Number 3, they are TV reporters. They are TV reporters. And that's A. Now B is this. They tell us what's happening, what is happening in the world. Okay? They tell us what's happening in the world. If you think that's true, write T. If you don't think that's true, you can write F. Okay, number 4. A. She is a mail carrier. She's mail carrier. B. She serves food in a restaurant. Is it true? I say A, she is a mail carrier. And I say B, she serves food in a restaurant. Okay? Good. And now let's see. Did you write everything? Good. See? Noah, what's 1B?
1B is fail.
Fail or false?
False.
False? Why? I'm sorry. AB, false. Why is that? You can say because 왜냐하면 you said 선생님 말했어요. You said blah blah blah. Can you try? Because you said.
Because you said.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. She helps
sick people.
Yes. Then Leo, who helps sick people? Who helps sick people? Who comes and help sick people? Teacher? Who helps sick people and gives shots? Open your mouth. Can I see? Can I listen to your heartbeat? Who does that? Dentist does that, maybe. But more likely, wearing a white gown and like this. Do you have a cold? Yes. Do you have a headache? Yes. Who's this? You don't want to see this person. Duh. What? Duh. Who's this? Duh. It's a doctor, right? So that's what a doctor does. Doctor does this. Okay? So it's false. Yes. Number 2A. Leo, number 2A. What do you think? Is it T or F? F. Yes. Why? Because you said he is. Complete the sentence. He is on. What did I say? Yes, architect. That's right. And Leo, again, number 2B. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? B. I said he. Is it true or false? True, yes. Why? Because you said he builds things out of. Yes, good. So who builds things out of wood? Noah. That's the carpenter. Carpenter. Okay. Noah, 3A. Is it T or F?
T.
That's T. True. Why?
Because you said
They
are
TV reporter. Yes, that's what I said. You got a point. Yes, they are TV reporter. And B, 3B, Noah again. Is that true or false?
It is true.
It is true. Great. Why is that? Because you said they tell us what is
happening.
what's happening? What is happening?
What is happening in the world?
Yes, good. Number 4A. Your turn, Leo. What do you think number A4? Number 4A. Is that T or F? Yes. Why? Because you said she is a she's my cousin? Because she's your mom? Is it your mom? She looks different. Mail carrier, yes. And what about 4A, 4B? Is that T or F? F, yes. Why is that? You got the point. Why? Because you said she serves food in a restaurant. Good job. Good job, guys. So who is it? Or what is she? She's a teacher. And what does she do? She teaches subject. She teaches subject. She teaches actually math. She teaches math. And what is he? He is a carpenter. What does a carpenter do? What does he do? He builds things out of wood. And who are they? And what are they? They are TV reporters. What do TV reporters do? They tell us what's happening in the world. And good. What is she? She's a Mail carrier. And what does a mail carrier do? She brings us mail. Okay, good. Look at guys, everybody. Come on, look at this. So everybody, mail carrier. Good. What does a mail carrier do? You can choose one of these activities. Mail carrier brings us mail. Good. What about teacher? What does a teacher do? Teacher teaches a subject. Subject. What is subject? It could be math. It could be science. It could be English, Korean, blah, blah, blah. And what about an architect? What does an architect do? Architect designs buildings. What about a doctor? What does a doctor do? Doctor helps sick people get well. What does okay, let me just on. Okay, what does a waitress do? Waitress is a female, is a woman. Female. What does a male waitress do? A waitress serves food. Serves food. And what does a computer programmer do? Computer programmers get information. Gets information. And what does an exercise instructor do? An exercise instructor helps us use muscles. Good. Okay, we did this thing. Okay, what about a carpenter? What does a carpenter do? A carpenter builds things out of wood. Good. What about we have left a dentist? What does a dentist do? A dentist fixes our teeth. Good. What I said is write down the activity that a dentist do. What does a dentist do? Write down the activity, the job. Let's draw the lines. Draw the lines. We're going to use purple here. So exercise instructor, this. Okay? How about architect? Architect, no, designs buildings. And what about doctor? Helps sick people get well. And carpenter. Carpenter builds things out of wood. And let's use a green color. How about mail carrier? Mail carrier brings us mail. Teacher teaches us a subject. And let's use the orange one. Computer programmer gets information. And a dentist fixes our teeth. All right? You get it? Almost everything's ready. Almost everything's ready. Okay? Now, Leo, come in.